You can now apply the same virtual staging to different pictures of the same room. This will let you generate pictures of the same space, virtually furnished, from different angles, with the exact same furniture. This is great because you're going to get pictures that will help you sell faster at the best price. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply this multi-view virtual staging to your pictures, and you'll see how easy it is to get it done. So let's get to it. So first, what we're going to do is head to Pedra. These are the two pictures we want to furnish the same, okay? They're the same room. So first we're gonna furnish the first picture using the furnish tool. We're gonna pick the dining room as space type, and then with draw, we're gonna basically indicate what are the parts of the room that we want to stage, okay? Click on generate, and then we're gonna get a picture like this one, okay? Which is basically the kitchen furnished with a dining table and some chairs. We can then head to the next picture, okay, of the vacant room. Click on furnish, and then in this case, in the style, we're gonna click on use furniture from another image and pick the image that we staged before, okay? And then in a couple of minutes, we're gonna get a picture like this. As you can see, we're using the same furniture to stage both rooms, okay? And you basically got the same room staged from different angles using the same furniture. And you can now use it for your selling processes to market your property better.